Here's a resin tip for my resin beginners who's just starting out. Spray your stickers before coating your trays with resin. This is going to help prevent those air bubbles. Comment the struggle was real if you were going through the same thing. And come join my waitlist for my masterclass.
If you're a resin beginner and you are looking for some badass resin ideas to sell, you might want to stick around for this video. So we both seem to be obsessed with resin. You wouldn't be here if you wasn't, right? So your girl decided to start a platform that's dedicated to resin artists just like you, that's just starting out and need some help with figuring out what to sell. So a few years ago, my partner and I decided to start a gift shop business selling resin art just like this. And boy, did we not know that there was such a huge market and high demand for these items. Now I know you're probably wondering, why would you share any of this information with us and create your own competition? Well, I would say to that there's room for all of us to be able to create beautiful art just like this and still be able to make sales. So if you want to join the Trendsetter family and create beautiful art like this, comment below I'm interested. Then definitely come and join my waitlist for my masterclass. I promise you don't want to miss out. Just so you know, TikTok is glitching out and removed my URL for the time being. If you want to join the waitlist, go to the comment section, copy and paste, and then it will open up for you to be able to sign up and join. And don't forget to repost and support your girl. If you're a resin beginner and you're looking for badass resin ideas to sell, let me show you how to make this set. Now, as a beginner, I want you guys to use a white spray paint so that it amplifies your colors. Now, I want you to be aware some spray paints are bad cans and they will leave these bubble-like forms. So if you ever notice that, throw it out. It's a bad can or either take it back. Okay, so now that we got ourselves a new fresh can, I like to start off with my first color down the middle and then follow up with that second color on the sides of the tray. Now, the reason why I start off that way is because it's easier. I feel like if you did it the opposite way, it'd be a little bit more harder to blend those colors together. Quick tip, if you're a beginner and you're having trouble with blending your colors, hold a cardboard paper over top of your tray. Now you want to make sure that you're not too close because it would leave a horrible demarcation line and it will not look appealing. You want to be careful when you're applying your stickers. Try to get it one and done if you can, because if not, you can definitely peel the paint right off. So be aware, be patient, and be careful. You got this. Now, if you enjoyed this tutorial and you want to learn more on how I make my sets, comment below I'm interested. And so you don't miss the drop of my masterclass, be sure to sign up for the waitlist as spots will be limited.
Want to learn how to make resin art like this? I created a platform dedicated to resin beginners looking to make and sell resin art like this. So if you're a resin beginner and are struggling with figuring out what kind of resin art to sell, you've come to the right place. If you're interested, comment, I want to learn.
If you're a resin beginner and you make car ashtrays like I do, you might want to stick around and listen to this video. I see so many beginners making them, and I can't blame you because I love them too. They're a hot commodity, people love them. But I thought I'd share a little bit of some advice when it comes to making these resin car ashtrays, as I've been making them for quite some time now. If you are a resin beginner and you want to make these resin car ashtrays, I think it's in your best interest to buy the plastic car ashtray and coat them in resin yourself. To me, I just feel like the ones that are made full of resin, it's just not worth it to me. You see, when it comes to making these car ashtrays, you have to use a high temperature resin. And I'm sure you know, resin is not cheap, you guys. I see so many people making them out of resin, and in no way am I saying there's something wrong with that. You can do what you want. But as a beginner, I thought you'd want to know that there are other cheaper options out there. But I've noticed people who are making them out of resin are selling themselves short, and they're pricing their items too low. I'm here to tell you, people will pay for top quality art. Okay, my customer paid $63 for one car ashtray. So do not sell yourself short when pricing your items. Okay, people will definitely pay for high quality art. And if you want to learn how to make art like this, follow us so you don't miss out on a masterclass, and share this video if you thought it was helpful.